So as you can see in this video, we're manually shutting this off to simulate it restarting. Our pilot just lit. And there we go again. Down in here we should do some cleaning. We've definitely got a lot of stuff falling down out of the burners. This boiler definitely needs a good servicing. And we got some issues to address as well up here with our venting. We got foil tape coming over here from the water heater. You can also see around the water heater here that this is getting hot. We are not picking up any carbon monoxide in the space up in here on the call, so that's good. We do just have a lot of corrosion here and here, again right there, and also down on the floor below the boiler. So definitely something that we're gonna want to address here for safety and also for longevity of the system.